Welcome to Amarnath Engineering, a trusted leader in advanced medical textile machinery. In this video, we present the complete process of manufacturing high-quality cotton balls from raw cotton, engineered to meet global medical standards with precision and consistency. The process begins with carefully selected raw cotton, chosen for its fiber strength and purity. The cotton is first fed into the 6-beater machine where it is opened and cleaned. This stage removes major impurities such as dust, seeds, and foreign particles. The material then passes through a metal detection system, ensuring removal of any metallic contaminants and protecting downstream equipment. The cotton is further processed in the fiber opening machine, where the fibers are gently separated and refined for better uniformity. The opened cotton is then collected using a high-speed condenser and transferred into a fiber-carrying vessel. From here, the material is handled efficiently and prepared for the bleaching stage. With the help of an EOT crane, the cotton is loaded into high-pressure, high-temperature bleaching vessels, ensuring safe and systematic batch processing. The bleaching process is carried out under controlled high-pressure and high-temperature conditions. Using Amarnath Engineering's specialized process, non-cellulosic impurities such as waxes, pectins, and natural coloring substances are removed. This process enhances whiteness, improves absorbency, and balances pH levels, ensuring the cotton meets IP, BP, and EP standards required for medical-grade applications. After bleaching, the cotton is discharged and passed through a hydro extractor, which efficiently removes excess water. The cotton is then processed through a dryer powered by steam from a boiler system. This reduces moisture to a controlled level of approximately 7.5% plus or minus 2%, ensuring stability and consistent product quality. The dried cotton is then converted into a continuous cotton sliver, which serves as the raw material for cotton ball production. The process begins with controlled feeding into the 6-beater machine, where the fibers are reopened for uniform flow. Next, the cotton passes through the fiber opening machine, ensuring further separation and consistency. With the help of a chute feeding system, the cotton is evenly distributed and fed into the carding machine. This ensures a uniform supply of fibers, which is essential for consistent output. Fine impurities are removed, and a soft, uniform fiber web is formed. This web is then condensed into a continuous sliver with precise weight control. We can produce sliver in different specifications such as 1.4 grams and 4 grams based on production requirements. All stages are controlled through an advanced PLC system with touch interface, ensuring synchronized operation, consistent quality, and minimal manual intervention. This system removes micro, dust and airborne particles, preventing air pollution and maintaining a clean working environment. This ensures the plant operates under green standards while maintaining high product quality. The prepared sliver is then fed into our advanced cotton ball making machines, available in 4-lane, 6-lane, and 8-lane configurations to suit different production capacities. These machines convert the sliver into perfectly shaped cotton balls with high precision. The process ensures uniform size and shape, consistent weight accuracy, high absorbency, smooth and soft texture. All products are manufactured to meet IP, BP, and EP standards, making them suitable for both domestic and international markets. The automation ensures high-speed production with minimal wastage and maximum efficiency. These cotton balls are widely used in medical and surgical applications, wound cleaning and dressing, cosmetic and skin care use, baby care and hygiene, personal health care applications. Amarnath Engineering delivers complete solutions from raw cotton to finished medical products. Trusted by clients across domestic and international markets. We stand for quality, precision, and innovation. Amarnath Engineering. Precision in every fiber.